Hi everyone, my name is Eric and today I am going to show you how to maintain your Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat. Be sure to unplug and turn off the unit before doing any cleaning or maintenance. It is recommended to clean and maintain your unit once every 6 months or as needed. The Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat features a dust defense panel to trap dirt and dust and stop it from entering your fan. This is one of the most important parts of the machine to clean. If you notice that your airflow has become less powerful over time, then it might be a sign that it's time to clean out this dust defense filter. Remove the dust defense panel from the unit by gently pulling on the finger tab. Please note that the mesh filter does not need to be removed unless there is debris stuck between the mesh and the exterior panel. Use a vacuum cleaner on low speed with a soft brush attachment or a cloth or towel to remove debris from the dust defense panel and the internal mesh screen. Do not use abrasive chemical cleaners. Allow the panel to fully dry for 12 hours before reinserting onto the unit. If debris is stuck in between the mesh filter and the dust defense panel, the mesh filter can be removed by gently pulling the mesh filter out of the tabs on the dust defense panel. Rinse the mesh filter and dust defense panel with room temperature tap water. Be sure to completely dry the screen and panel for 12 hours before reinstalling. Do not reinsert any components while they are damp. To clean the external unit, wipe down the exterior with a microfiber cloth dampened with warm, soapy water. Avoid excess water and abrasive chemical cleaners to prevent damage. Your Shark TurboBlade Cool+Heat should now be clean and ready to get back to work for you.